I have this one by Rare Beauty. This new soft pinch liquid contour. The formula feels nice. This is lightweight and creamy. You definitely need to apply more if you use your beauty blender. The beauty blender side looks more natural in real life. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products. In today's video, I'm going to test a new liquid bronzer, and I have this one by Rare Beauty. This new soft pinch liquid contour. This is what I have on my skin right now. And I'm going to create this makeup look using some of my favorite makeup products. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. For my makeup base today, I want to try these two together. This ESTÉE Lauder Double Wear Smooth and Blur Primer with this new Givenchy Prisme Libre Glow Serum Foundation. I tried this new foundation for the first time in my last video, and I did a wear test, but I haven't used it with a matte primer yet, so today I want to try these two together. This is a matte primer, and this is a hydrating glowy foundation. As a little update since my last video, I have to say that I really like this foundation. It's amazing for everyday makeup because the finish is very natural. And if I use a primer and my favorite setting spray, I can make this foundation last all day on my skin. It's also non-comedogenic with skin-caring ingredients, and it's supposed to improve your skin over time. So this was my little update for this foundation. Now let's see how it will look on top of this primer. Okay, very pretty finish with the primer on. With this primer on, the finish is more matte, which I really love. Next, I'm going to test my new makeup product. This one, by Rare Beauty. This is Soft Pinch Liquid Contour in the color Gentle. And this is how the packaging looks like. It's nice and simple with this type of applicator. So this is the new Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Contour. It is a weightless, easy to blend liquid contour that defines and enhances for a naturally lifted look that lasts. The result is a naturally sculpted look that's never muddy, cakey, patchy, or greasy. It is made to last all day without fading. It layers beautifully under and over makeup. Highlights: natural finish, vegan, liquid formula, long wearing, and cruelty free. This was made in Korea and has 12 months shelf life. I love a good long-lasting makeup product because, as I mentioned many times, I don't like to touch on my makeup throughout the day. I like my makeup products to last all day on my skin. So I am very curious to see how is this new bronzer. I got it in the color Gentle. It's a cool taupe for fair skin tones. Let's see how is the color and how is the formula. I'm going to apply some on my hand. Looks like a little goes a long way. The formula feels nice. This is lightweight and creamy. This color Gentle is the lightest shade and is supposed to be perfect for fair skin. So let's see how it looks on my skin. First, I want to quickly tell you something. I'm not a big fan of liquid products because they doesn't last very well. It's mentioned on the bottle that this has 12 months shelf life. But I also have this one by Makeup by Mario, and I'm pretty sure it's been less than 12 months since I've tried it for the first time. And this is how it looks now. I know that we have to shake all the liquid products very well, but still, this one looks pretty gross, right? And it's such a good liquid bronzer. I actually love the formula, but I don't know if it's okay to look like this. Now, let's try this on my skin. I'm going to apply it on this side of my face first, using a brush. And on this side, I'm going to use my beauty blender, because I want to see what is the best way to apply it on the skin. I'll start with this amount. The formula is very nice. It blends and melts into the skin very nicely. And I think I like the color. So this is how my skin looks with and without this liquid bronzer on. Now let's see how is the finish on this side with the beauty blender. You definitely need to apply more if you use your beauty blender. The beauty blender absorbs more product, but the finish is more natural. Very natural finish, and I really like the color. So this is how my skin looks with this liquid contour on. Applied with a brush on this side of my face and applied with a beauty blender on this side. The beauty blender side looks more natural in real life. So I think I like this side more. But you can apply it using a brush or your beauty blender. It's not crazy pigmented like the liquid blush. The formula is buildable and the finish is natural. And I really like the color. If the formula is long lasting, this will be perfect for everyday makeup. So for now I like it, but I wanna give you my final impressions at the end of the video after I finish my makeup. For my makeup next, I'm going to use some of my favorite makeup products. I've used these makeup products before on my channel and I have a first impression video for everything, but I will also list all the products down in the description box below. For my concealer, I'm going to use this DIOR Forever Skin Correct. I also use it as my eyeshadow base. And I'm going to set everything in place with this Flower Nose powder. This is Flower Nose Strawberry Cupid Collection Pressed Powder in number 2. This powder is amazing for the under eyes. Like, look at how blurred and smooth my under eyes look right now. I love the powder on my under eyes, but I'll use it all over the skin today. Okay, I can still see the liquid contour after the powder, which is nice. I'll not apply blush today, but I'm going to apply highlighter. For my highlighter today, I'm going to use this palette by Chanel. This multi-use eyeshadow and highlighter palette. And I'm going to apply this today. For my eyeshadow palette today, I want to use this one by Makeup by Mario. This Master Mattes, the Neutrals. I want to do an all matte eye makeup look today, so I plan to use just this eyeshadow palette. Let's see if I can resist to not apply glitter today. First, I'm going to use this color. Now I'm going to use this color. I love this eyeshadow palette, it's so good. Now a little bit of this color. Blend everything again. Now I'm going to take a flat angled brush and I'm going to use this color as my eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids and on the inner corners. For my mascara today, I'm going to use this Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerize Volume Mascara. I'm going to quickly apply it off camera and I'll be right back. Mascara is on. I really like this mascara. I have the mini, but I definitely want to buy the full size. To finish with the makeup look, I'm going to apply this to on my lips. This Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner in the color Pillow Talk. With this YSL lipstick. I have this mini of the YSL Love Shine lipstick in number 44. This will be my first time trying it here on my channel, but I've used it a lot off camera and I really like it. First, this Pillow Talk lip liner. Now this Love Shine lipstick in number 44. Very pretty these two together. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And I think that's everything. This is the finished makeup result. I like my makeup, but I would love to know your guys' opinion, so let me know down below what you think about the finished makeup result. Now, final impressions for my new makeup product, this by Rare Beauty. I like the color on my fair skin, and I love the formula. This blends and melts into the skin very nicely. The finish is natural, it doesn't emphasize my pores, my acne, or my texture. The formula is also buildable, so you can layer it as much as you like without any problems. But I want to see if it's long-lasting, because as I mentioned many times, I don't like to touch up my makeup throughout the day. I like my makeup products to last all day on my skin. So for now I like it, but I want to test it more until my next video and I'll update you about everything then. But guys, let me know if you have this liquid contour and if you like it. And let me know what other makeup products you'd like me to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!